Facilities like the Drone Test and Development Centre that we've opened today are really critical to the ecosystem of startups, SMEs, and also developed companies that are thinking about changing what they do. There's an enormous capital outlay when a company wants to invest in a facility or access some very special technical capability for development or test purposes. And what we want to do is prevent the company from having to do that themselves with their hard-earned funds and actually allow them to have temporary access to the facilities that we provide. They've got everything they need here. We can help adapt them for any needs they have. And also they can work alongside collaborators and competitors to make sure that they can really innovate their ideas together.
The vision for opening this facility here today at Westcott is to provide a setting, a location for testing and innovation around the worlds of drone and autonomous vehicles. It builds on what we've got here at Westcott, which has got a rich history around testing, development. It's a great example of sort of being a test bed for new innovation. We'd like to see that, bring businesses together, innovative businesses working together to not only develop new products, services for here, but actually for the wider community as well.
The DTDC has been really good for us for kind of three core reasons: operational, technical, and just flying our platforms. So from a technical perspective, this is a really great, safe area where our teams can bring on board new systems to get them on into the fleet so that they can be used for real jobs, whether it be delivery, surveillance. From an operational perspective, it's a really nice area for us to train our teams. So where for us, it's the operational center of excellence, where our different crews from around the world can come and test all the different people, processes, procedures, and learn to fly our systems in a really great environment. And the last is an ability to fly our platforms. So we have a remote operations center here, which allows us to fly our delivery, survey, and surveillance missions straight from here and fly anywhere in the world.
At the Catapult, we have an overriding mission, and that is to innovate for a better world empowered by space. When we look at drone technology specifically, but also all future transport systems and connectivity systems, in order for them to be safe and capable and reliable in the way that we want them to be, space and the connections from space and the space infrastructure are absolutely essential to the solution. So this is a really important part of what we're trying to achieve from our overall objectives in the space sector.